So the day hiking dudes here, we're doing Lehigh Furnace Gap to Devil's Pulpit, and then we're gonna take it back to the North Trail, then come the south side through the rock scramble. So we'll see how it goes. So we just came upon an American chestnut with burrs, as you can see up top. So that's a good sign. I don't know if they're fertile burrs or not, but it's about 20-25 foot American chestnut. It does have blight at the bottom, but not looking that bad. Yeah. So up here on the Lehigh Furnace Gap, all the trees, some of them are dead, other ones are stunted. And this area was originally all barren because I believe there was a chemical plant down there across that road, and the toxic fumes had just denuded all the vegetation. So this stuff's growing back and probably not the healthiest. I'm sure the soil probably has all kinds of junk in it.
Because they're poisonous, right?
Rear fang venom. Here's some spotted lanternfly we saw on. So here's a nice sweeping view. This trail has just outstanding views. Very unique, especially with the vegetation. So continuing our walk, Lehigh Furnace Gap. Still beautiful views all around. Walking through some high grass here. Still stunted trees due to the poor soil. A lot of oaks. Here's some birch coming up here. So there's the Lehigh River down there. Very windy today. Some cell towers. Views just don't stop on this 2-mile north trail. So here's a good view of the Lehigh River and the highway. I don't know what the highway is, but just expansive views up here. Another chestnut we found, full of burrs. Probably about 15 feet.
Be snake aware, Jimmy.
We're up at the top. A lot of big rock scramble, a big overlook. It's a beautiful, beautiful hike today.
Hey, why don't we get a selfie?
Pretty sweet boulder field, or rock scramble, I don't know what the correct terminology is. And then there's some mountain ash down there, which I believe you can eat the berries. I think they're really sour.
Beautiful hiking area up at a small cliff. There's the Daredevil.
Up here, enjoying the rock scramble and the view. Lehigh Furnace Gap. Just a really cool hike. One of the better hikes in my opinion in PA.
So we were looking for snakes. We struck out. You see all the empty rock. Perfect snake habitat. Just not seeing any today.
Now we're hiking back up this rock scramble. We are looking for snakes, particularly rattlesnakes or copperheads, but I don't see anything. It might be too much sun. They like overcast or cloudy weather. So we just got done hiking Lehigh Furnace Gap. We went to Devil's Pulpit first, which we found out later was actually closed. We didn't read the signs. And it took us about 5 hours, and it was 10 miles to do the scenic north. And then we came back on the south trail and finished on the Appalachian Trail. And now we're headed home.